Number 13. The Mothman. The Mothman, a figure shrouded in mystery and urban folklore, first emerged in the quiet setting of Point Pleasant, West Virginia, during the turbulent late 1960s. Characterized by its imposing figure, expansive wings, and haunting red eyes, this enigmatic creature captured the collective imagination following a series of sightings that ominously preceded the tragic collapse of a local bridge. As the subject of various literary works, documentaries, and cinematic portrayals, the Mothman legend spans interpretations from misinterpreted wildlife sightings to theories of otherworldly origins. Despite the absence of definitive proof of its existence, the allure of the Mothman endures, captivating those drawn to the mysteries of the paranormal and the unexplained, and leaving a lasting imprint on the lore of Point Pleasant. Number 12. Skinwalker Ranch. Nestled in Utah's Uinta Basin, Skinwalker Ranch is a hotspot for the unexplained. From UFO sightings to eerie animal harm and bizarre creature encounters, this place has captivated both scientists and secret agencies, sparking a myriad of theories including covert military tests and alien visitations. The true essence of the ranch's peculiar events is hotly debated, with some speculating about interdimensional gateways or natural anomalies, while skeptics hint at possible pranks. Yet no solid proof has unraveled its mysteries. Skinwalker Ranch remains an intriguing enigma, drawing curiosity seekers worldwide, embodying our fascination with the mysteries that elude our understanding. Number 11. Crop circles. Crop circles, intricate designs mysteriously etched into fields worldwide, emerged in the public eye during the 1970s, sparking fascination and debate. These elaborate patterns, ranging from simple rings to complex geometric figures, are crafted by bending or flattening crops without causing harm. The origins and purposes behind these formations stir widespread speculation. Some attribute them to natural forces like atmospheric conditions, while others believe in human artistry or even alien interventions. Despite no definitive explanation prevailing, crop circles captivate researchers, enthusiasts, and skeptics, embodying the enigmatic allure of the natural world and highlighting the boundless realms of human curiosity and creativity. Number 10. The Chupacabra. The Chupacabra, a creature shrouded in legend, has sparked intrigue across the Americas, especially in Puerto Rico and Mexico. Depicted as a small, two-legged beast adorned with spines or quills and featuring a distinct jawline, this elusive entity is rumored to prey on livestock, draining the blood of goats and sheep. Despite countless claims and sightings, solid proof of the Chupacabra's reality remains elusive. This enigmatic being continues to captivate cryptozoologists and those drawn to the paranormal, keeping the mystery alive and well in the realm of folklore. Number 9. The Uffington Whitehorse. Nestled in the rolling hills of Oxfordshire, England, the Uffington Whitehorse carves a striking figure against the green landscape, created over 3,000 years ago, between 1380 and 550 BCE. This massive hill figure spans 374 feet, depicting a horse in bold, stylized lines filled with gleaming white chalk. Its origin, purpose, and meaning spark lively debates among scholars. Was it a tribal emblem, a territorial boundary, or perhaps a homage to a deity from mythology? Speculation abounds that this majestic horse could have been revered as a symbol of solar worship, representing a deity of the sun. To keep the figure visible through the ages, locals have painstakingly maintained it, hinting at its significant role in community or spiritual life across millennia. Today, the Uffington Whitehorse stands as a mysterious testament to ancient creativity and spirituality, its creator's intentions lost to time but forever etched into the landscape, continuing to draw curiosity and wonder from all who gaze upon it. Number 8. Overtown Bridge. Nestled near Dumbarton, Scotland, the Overtown Bridge is a stunning piece of Victorian architecture shrouded in a mysterious and somber legend. Since the mid-20th century, it has been the site of a perplexing phenomenon. Over 600 dogs have inexplicably jumped from its ledges, many meeting tragic ends. This bizarre series of events has confounded locals and researchers, sparking a multitude of theories but yielding no clear answers. Some speculate that the lure of potent animal scents or the bridge's architectural quirks might disorient the dogs, prompting their fatal leaps. Yet, despite extensive investigations, a definitive cause remains elusive. The Overtoun Bridge's haunting legacy continues to intrigue and baffle, drawing attention from around the globe to this day. This enduring mystery underscores the bridge not just as a historical landmark, but as a poignant reminder of the unknown forces that continue to puzzle us. Number 7. Lead masks case. In 1966, Brazil was the backdrop for an eerie enigma known as the lead masks case. Two electronics experts, Miguel Viana and Manuel Pereira de Cruz, were discovered deceased on a hillside near Rio de Janeiro, donning lead eye coverings. Alongside them, a notebook brimming with baffling entries hinted at their possibly arcane or otherworldly intentions. Despite thorough probes, the rationale behind their demise and the lead masks remains unsolved, stirring speculations of occult practices, psychedelic exploration, or even alien interaction. This case captivates those drawn to the mysterious, embodying the profound puzzles that persist in human exploration and the elusive search for truth. Number 6. The Amityville Horror. The Amityville Horror, a tale that intertwines tragedy with the supernatural, captivates as it terrifies. This saga unfurled in 1974 with a chilling crime in Amityville, New York, where the DeFeo family met a tragic end within their own home. The narrative took a turn towards the eerie when the Lutz family, the house's new inhabitants, reported inexplicable phenomena. Their accounts of mysterious sounds, chilling drafts, and alarming visions of demonic forces laid the groundwork for a narrative that would transcend the confines of their home, inspiring books and films that captivated millions. The authenticity of the Amityville Horror has spurred heated debate, with skeptics dismissing it as mere fiction or an elaborate hoax. Yet, regardless of where the truth lies, the story of the Amityville house endures, a haunting reminder of the thin line between reality and the realms beyond our understanding. It serves as a fascinating exploration into the depths of the human psyche, our fascination with the unknown, and the stories we weave around the unexplainable. Number 5. The Wow Signal. In 1977, something extraordinary happened that left the scientific community spellbound. While scanning the cosmos for signs of alien life from the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University, astronomer Jerry Amon stumbled upon a perplexing signal. Unlike anything seen before, this signal boasted an intensity and duration that hinted it might not be from our planet. Amon, struck by its uniqueness, famously scribbled "Wow" beside the signal's printout, coining what is now known as the Wow signal. This 72-second burst of data has puzzled experts and enthusiasts alike for decades. Despite numerous attempts to decode or replicate the phenomenon, a solid explanation remains elusive. Was it a cosmic coincidence, a terrestrial interference, or a genuine message from distant intelligence? The Wow signal remains a tantalizing clue in the vast puzzle of the universe, fueling ongoing debates and theories about extraterrestrial life. As we continue to peer into the vast unknown, the Wow signal stands as a beacon of the eternal human quest for knowledge. It reminds us of the mysteries that lie beyond our reach and the possibilities that exist in the uncharted corners of space. What secrets does the universe hold? The journey to find out is as thrilling as ever. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. In the rugged terrains of Afghanistan, where ancient hills whisper secrets of the past, lies a concealed marvel, a structure so perplexing it evades explanation. Known to the locals as the Watcher's Keep, this solitary dome-like edifice stands aloof, its origins shrouded in enigma, untouched by time's relentless march. Legends speak of it as a portal, a threshold between worlds, built by hands not of this earth. Not far in the shadow of the desolate peaks, a photograph surfaces, one that stirs the pot of forbidden lore. It features two Afghan tribesmen, their expressions a complex tapestry of fear and reverence, standing beside a creature of impossible proportions. Its elongated limbs and peculiar visage suggest not a being of flesh and bone, but rather a visitor from the stars. Whispered in hushed tones, they call it the Silent Sentinel, a guardian of the threshold, ensuring that some doors remain unopened. Their stories, passed down through generations, warn of the unyielding guardianship over the secrets that lie within the Watcher's Keep. Many have sought the truth, driven by a hunger for knowledge forbidden by time itself. Yet as the Sentinel stands, a stark reminder of the unknown, the mysteries of this ancient land remain steadfastly, inexplicably out of reach. Number 4. The Georgia Guidestones. Nestled in Elbert County, Georgia, stands the enigmatic Georgia Guidestones, often dubbed America's Stonehenge. This striking granite monument, unveiled in 1980, features 4 towering slabs encircling a central capstone. Each slab is inscribed with 10 directives for humanity, presented in 8 different languages, aiming to usher in an age of reason as suggested by an additional message in ancient tongues: Babylonian, Classical Greek, Sanskrit, and Egyptian hieroglyphs. The architect of this puzzling edifice is shrouded in secrecy, known only by the alias R.C. Christian. The guidelines etched into the stones advocate for sustainable living, global harmony, and the preservation of nature, sparking a spectrum of interpretations. To some, it's a manifesto for a utopian future. To others, a shadowy nod to New World ideologies or the manifesto of an undisclosed group. Amidst debates, the Guidestones are a magnet for curiosity and speculation, drawing visitors fascinated by its origins and its provocative inscriptions. Critics voice concerns over themes perceived as controversial, but regardless of the myriad views, the Georgia Guidestones stand as a compelling beacon for contemplation on our collective future, embodying the perennial human desire to seek wisdom and concord in an ever-changing world. Number 3. Sphinx of Giza. Giza's Sphinx, a monumental limestone figure stationed beside Egypt's Grand Pyramids, merges a lion's body with a human visage. Stretching 240 feet and standing 66 feet tall, this enigmatic sculpture hails from ancient Egypt's Old Kingdom. Despite thorough explorations, its true intent puzzles scholars. Was it a monarch's emblem, an astronomical guide, or a relic from an unknown pre-Egyptian society? The Sphinx's allure endures, inviting global intrigue and admiration, symbolizing the mystique and splendor of bygone eras and their creations. Number 2. Belmez Faces. In 1971, the small Spanish village of Belmez de la Moraleda became the center of an enigmatic event that puzzled both locals and scientists alike. The residents of a humble abode were astonished to find haunting human-like faces emerging on their kitchen floor. Efforts to erase these images by redoing the floor proved futile. New visages appeared, each distinct in its features and expressions. This curious occurrence drew the gaze of the world, sparking a mix of skepticism and fascination. Debates swirled around the origins of the Belmez faces. While some dismissed them as elaborate fabrications, others pondered the possibility of a paranormal or psychokinetic origin. Despite thorough investigations and scientific analyses, a conclusive explanation remains elusive. This enduring mystery has captivated a global audience, serving as a bewitching reminder of the unknowns that still pervade our understanding of the world. The Belmez faces stand as an intriguing puzzle, continuing to ensnare the imagination of those drawn to the unexplained. Number 1. The SS Orang Medan. In 1947, the maritime world was gripped by a chilling mystery that has since become a tale of intrigue and speculation. The SS Orang Medan, a Dutch freighter, sent a distress signal while navigating the Strait of Malacca, declaring a bizarre and harrowing message. The entire crew was dead. Rescuers arriving at the scene were met with a macabre sight. Crew members lay dead, their expressions frozen in fear, with no visible cause of death. Before any further investigation could occur, a fire erupted, leading to the ship's explosion and its subsequent sinking into the depths. The Orang Medan's saga is mired in uncertainty. Theories range from lethal cargo causing the tragedy to supernatural occurrences or clandestine experiments. Despite its allure, skeptics dismiss the tale, citing a lack of verifiable evidence of the ship's very existence. Yet, the legend persists, thrilling those fascinated by unsolved enigmas and ghost stories. The SS Orang Medan remains emblematic of the ocean's mysteries, captivating the curious with its unresolved narrative and serving as a haunting testament to the sea's unfathomable dangers.